Hi everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm super excited. I'm in my full like Gryffindor gear because I just bought myself a Harry Potter advent sock calendar. And I didn't cheat. I didn't open any other book or any other boxes to try to see what's in here. And this one is sealed shut. I got this from Target and it's 15 pairs of socks, 15 days of socks, and it's $15, and it says 5 crew and 5 ankle. So I'm going to rip this open. Oh, I don't want to rip the box. You want some socks? Want some socks? Logan is sitting here with me in his plate table of fun and excitement. Oh, why is this so difficult to open? Okay, 1 down, 3 to go. Woo, 2 down. If you guys didn't know, I'm kind of a big Harry Potter fan. Read the books multiple times. We just watched the first Harry Potter with the baby. It took 3 days to watch it, but he seemed entertained, so that was exciting. Woo, all the stickers are off. Okay. Ready? Oh no, one more sticker. Damn it. I peeled 3 stickers off. I'm like, yeah, I got them all. And there's one.
You want some scissors?
One sneaky one. Nah. Okay, gone. Here we go. Open. Oh, pretty. There's Hogwarts in all its glory. And here's the 15 days. So let me open this up. This is really pretty. If you just like cut this off and like made it, like hung it up somewhere. And it's like the thick cardboard of the front of it. Yeah, I could totally frame that. It looks really nice. Okay, so where is sock day number 1? Let me open it here. Really sturdy. Ooh, Gryffindor socks. They're long. It's really cute. I got the little lion guy on there. So nice. Woo, baby socks, look. Socks, they match mommy's whole outfit. Does she wear these socks? You want these? There you go. I'll give you all the socks. Okay, here's day 2. Has the Hogwarts emblem on it. Sorry, this thing is like really not easy to rip open. Okay, oh, just house socks. It's like the little shield Hogwarts. And it's got all the 3 colors at the bottom. Those are really cute. Here, more socks, baby. Okay, day 3 has Harry Potter in his Quidditch uniform. Oh my gosh. What are these? Oh, it says, look at this, so cute. It says H. Potter and it has number 7.
Sounds like his jersey.
Yeah, like his jersey and the color. No, there's a Gryffindor shield and then a Hogwarts like emblem, and then that's his Quidditch socks. Okay, day 4. Oh my god, I don't know why these are so difficult to rip open. Day 4's picture is when they're in the boat in the first movie and they're going to Hogwarts. I know, that's how I feel, baby. Can't open this. Ah, Mama can't open. Okay, I'm cheating. I'm pulling it out of the side because I really couldn't open that. Oh, these are ankle socks, and it's got his little glasses on it and a little potion symbol, I think is what that is, with stars. Oh, and his little lightning bolt. Those are so cute. Look, more socks. That's day 4. There's still 11 more. Okay, this one has a raven. Oh my god, I cannot open any of these. There we go. There we go. Mama ripped it. Oh, the little raven has Ravenclaw socks in it. It says Ravenclaw on the back. Those are so cute. They're all blue and black with a little raven on it. Woo! I should give those to Morgan. Okay, day number 6. I'm right here. Has Dumbledore. These are really hard. You should try to open one. Oh! I just did this, so yeah, sorry. Okay, day number 6 has, oh, it's Dumbledore themed socks. It says Dumbledore on the bottom. And it's got his wand on it with a bunch of stars. Those are really cute. Okay, day number 7. Oh, it just has a little Harry Potter logo with the snitch ball on it. So cute. Okay, day number 8 has Morda, blah, I don't know how to say that. Has the map on it. Marauder?
Yeah.
Oh, Mischief Managed! That looks like we're gonna wear Harry Potter Christmas pajamas, and ours say Mischief Managed, and the baby says like he's in trouble.
I swear I'm up to no good.
Oh yeah, he's up to no good. Okay, that was day 8. Here's day 9. It's the 9 3/4 platform to get to Harry Potter. Oh, that's cute. All the little pockets on the advent calendar kind of go with the sock that's behind it. So that's really cute. Okay, that was 9. Where's 10? Oh, 10 is way over here. 10 looks like a Gryffindor backpack of sorts. Oh, back to Hogwarts. That's really cute too. So the majority of this box has been Gryffindor themed, which is cool. This has a little Hufflepuff badger on it, so I'm assuming these are gonna be yellow Hufflepuff socks. Oh yeah, look.
Oh, they're cool.
So cute. It's got the little badger and the little like yellow and black shield. Those are cute. You can wear some of these.
I wonder if the men's one comes with similar socks.
Maybe.
Styles, but they're just, you know, like a
because these aren't like, it says women's on the box, but these aren't like,
yeah,
I wouldn't say they're super feminine. Like if you like Harry Potter, those would be cool. This one has Professor McGonagall right there.
Cat socks.
Yeah, maybe they're cat socks. Let's see what this is. Woo! No, it just has like the Hogwarts little H on it. Little crew. Her ankle socks. The gold. Those are really cute. Oh, this 13 is a Slytherin box. Very, very fitting. Oh, you can see? Oh, yeah. Cameron's cheating. Horse peeking in the hole. Yeah, these are Slytherin socks. Those are cute too. They're all green. The little snake. A snake.
I feel like if you like any other house besides Gryffindor, there's not a lot of... There's
not in this. No.
Not a lot of love shown. Well, just in general for merchandise.
Well, they had...
I mean, you get like those specific, but if you go to normal stores, there's...
Yeah, it's heavy Gryffindor, and then the rest, yeah. But they had 2 other themed advent boxes. One had
It's a Quidditch.
yeah, one was a Quidditch themed one, so they probably had all Quidditch themed socks, and then the other one was the owl Hedwig. No.
I wonder if they just come with the same thing that packages on the outside are just different.
Yeah, I don't know. So I'm on day 14. Well, these are cute. It's got Harry Potter glasses and platform 9 3/4, and it's got the snitch And it's got the little emblem of Gryffindor, their ankle socks.
If someone tries one of the different calendars, let us know in the comments. They got
Yeah.
the same socks or different.
This day 15. Woo! This one has Hedwig on it. Oh, those are so cute. This got Hedwig.
Oh yeah, with the letters, that's cute.
He's delivering letters.
I mean, that's a pretty good deal.
So
for
cute.
$15 you get.
Yeah,
socks.
15 bucks.
So $1 a pair,
15.
and they're all themed.
Yeah, pairs of socks. I kind of destroyed this. I think I'm gonna save this part because I really like
so
it.
cool.
It's really cute. I could put it next to my Stitch. I'm gonna show you. Oops. I got this at Comic-Con last year. It says Stitches get snitches. See? I love Stitch too. He's like Harry Potter. He's getting a snitch. So cute! Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Tell me what your favorite pair of socks was or what your house is down below. And I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And is that it? I love you guys.
Subscribe.
Oh yeah, subscribe and we'll see you later. Bye!